Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a coming soon page on your Shopify store. This is also known as your password page. So that's what we're going to be breaking down here in today's video. Step by step how to edit that coming soon page, how to create it, and again, how to make it more useful so that when your soon to be store is ready to go live, you can actually direct your customers or potential customers somewhere on your Shopify store. This is great if you're a brand new beginner, just getting started with your online brand, or maybe you're even a clothing store, maybe you do launches and you want to edit your password page or coming soon page, is same thing. That's what we're going to be diving into here in today's video. But of course, before we dive in, of course, I do want to mention if you don't already have a Shopify store, you can go and check out that first link down below in the description. That's brendanvalesky.com/Shopify. We'll take you right over to this page here where you can get started with a Shopify free trial. Once again, that is a Shopify free trial. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the tutorial. So first things first, to edit this page, of course, this is your coming soon, opening soon Shopify password page. This can be, of course, very good if you want to, again, even from Shopify themselves, they say if you want to get a head start on marketing, build an email list to launch to. That's also crucial if you want to build out your email newsletter and growing and building out your email list, or just get some early feedback as well. All of these are key reasons to have this temporary destination and coming soon landing page for your online business. So this is an essential page for you to use. So this page is essentially your opening soon page, your coming soon page. This is what it will look like on your Shopify store by default if you have your password page enabled for your coming soon / opening soon page. This is again what it will look like by default. I will be showing you exactly how to edit that in just a moment, step by step, how to customize it as well if you do want to change this or update it in any way. Now, first things first, to go through the tutorial process, you're going to want to make sure that, of course, you are logged into your Shopify store, and we are currently just on the Shopify homepage, which will just bring you to this page here. So next, the first step you're going to want to do is go over to Online Store. So once you have selected Online Store, this is again for those of you who are on the Shopify basic plan and above. You do actually need certain level of Shopify plan. As long as you have the one where you have an actual online store, then you'll be able to do this, of course. And currently this online store, this is just a test store for tutorials. It is in development, so I do have the password page enabled. In order to do that, all you have to do is go into your online store and under preferences. Now, I'm not going to be showing my store password here on this video today, but just make sure by default on Shopify, before you actually launch your store, it will have the password page enabled in your settings. But if you do want to actually see that store password, it should prompt you here, even in the theme section of your online store. It should prompt you that it's, currently not open, and you can click that button there to see your store password if you do want to edit it or change it. And then you can go into preferences as well to view some more of the other password preferences. Specifically, you should have that button there. Again, that's if you do want to edit that password or if you want to disable it, but by default should be enabled. Now, to actually edit the password page and your coming soon page, again, to create your coming soon page on your Shopify store, what you're going to do then is to scroll down here. And again, we are on sales channels, online store, themes, and this is currently the updated copy of Dawn at the time of making this video. Of course, depending on what theme you're on and what online store version, this may look a little different for you, but this is currently using the most up-to-date themes in Shopify. And then next, you're going to click on the Customize button here, and then this will load up your Shopify store editor and theme editor for your Shopify store. Next, you're going to come up here to the middle, and you're going to click this drop down under Homepage. Then you're going to scroll down all the way down to Others. So it is a little bit buried. I get it. It's a little bit hidden. Under Others, you click Others, and then you will see your password page. This is your coming soon page when you have a password enabled on your Shopify store. You're going to go ahead and click password, and then that will bring you here to the opening soon page where we're going to walk through, how you can customize it and edit it to your liking. Now, there are a lot of different features here, just like any other type of page that you would add or update on your Shopify store. There's a lot of settings and colors and theming options that you can edit on this page. Now, again, again, by default, you will have the email sign-up form. This is great so that people can, you can start collecting emails on your sign-up page so, those people can be the first to know when you launch your store. But if you do want to edit this, maybe change it a little bit, instead of opening soon, you could change it to something like coming soon or something like that. You can go in here and edit it however you like. You can change the heading size, so large, small, medium, large. We're actually going to go with large. You can edit the background images and colors. So there really are a lot of settings in here. Of course, feel free to customize it however you like to your own desire. If you want to change out, sort of the overall look and feel for your specific brand, all you have to do is go in and click all the drop downs and you can edit. So to show you a couple of those options, of course, you have your banner here. And you have your image overlay opacity. So that's the opacity of the image. You can select different images as well, different background images. We're just going to leave it as this default one here. You have your banner height, so you can make it small, medium, large there as well. We're going to go with small. You can also preview how this will look on both a desktop and a mobile device. That's by selecting this selector up here in the top right-hand corner. You can then view how your page will look like on a mobile phone as well. So that's pretty crucial, to see sort of what the overall, viewing looks like. If you adapt it to the image, or if you have it a little bit bigger, smaller, it will look, again, a little different on mobile versus desktop as well. So that is something to consider. Always make sure you check and see how it will look on a mobile device or mobile phone as well, besides just desktop. Something crucial to make sure you're doing when you're doing the whole UI UX editing of your Shopify store and your Shopify website. So next you have the content alignment. So you can go, left, right, center. Depending on how you want your things aligned. Most people probably just go with center. Now, if you want to edit the colors of this as well, you can do that here too. If you want to maybe change the header, the different color schemes. Now, this is more of a total theme level setting that you can edit and customize here. There will be a few different color scheme defaults that you can select, but this will edit it for the rest of your online store. So it is something worth considering when you're editing the schemes. You can set these up and edit them in your theme settings. So this is, it will edit across your entire Shopify store. So I'd just make sure that your overall branding, you want it to be consistent across your store. When you're doing that, you can also, of course, add your logo here, change the logo width, things like that as well. Of course, I do not currently have this is just the, just the default text logo set up there with the store name. But you can do that there as well if you do want to edit your logo in your brand settings. You can do that here. And going back, so you have the email form, so that's just there by default. There's no settings there. If you want to change this text, you can type that here. So if you do want to say like, please please sign up or something like that. Please give us your email. We need it. However you want that to look. You can change out the text style if you want it to be more like body text or subtitle. You can, do this like any other type of text editor. You have the generate text as well as, different subheadings. If you want to bold it as well, you can do that in there. Any things that you would normally do on any other page. Now, this is where you can also add sections. So if you do want to add, anything else here, maybe if you want to add a video, you could do that here as well. Just even adding a video to this page, just like any other Shopify page, you can go in and add that. So we're going to actually go ahead and save just to show you what it looks like here on the live password page. And as you can see here, the video has been added. So you can easily add like other content too, if you do want additional media on your password page. Again, just like any other page, your coming soon page, you can add other information for those visitors so that when you're getting ready to launch your store, you can, provide a little bit of extra information for those users on this page here. You can also add any other type of sections here as well, like image slideshows. Really just like any other page on Shopify. You can even add, custom information, basically anything else that you would add from your sections. Maybe not products, because maybe you don't want people to see your products yet. But you can also add like an image banner, something like that if you do want, extra information there. We're going to go ahead and delete that section. So you can easily, add and remove things as you wish. in terms of the overall look and feel of this page. So guys, that is how you create your coming soon page and edit your password page on your Shopify store. Again, this is a great way to start collecting emails and provide some additional context or information to your visitors so that when you're ready to launch your store, people will already be signed up to your email list and your email newsletter, and you can let them know right away. Again, if you don't already have a Shopify store, you go and check out that first link down below in the description. Again, that's brendanvalesky.com/Shopify. Take you right over to this page here where you can get started with a Shopify free trial. Again, that's that first link down below in the description. If you guys found this video tutorial helpful, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.